everything that happened at the AI-powered Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event 2024. After a wait of almost 11 months, Samsung was back again with its newly designed, technologically advanced masterpieces. In the neon pulse of San Jose, Samsung didn't unveil phones. They cracked open a window to the future. Forget lifeless screens, these were portals powered by Galaxy AI, a budding intelligence nestled in your palm. Your fitness tracker? Now it sees fractures before you feel them. Camera? It speaks languages and whispers medical diagnoses. Your assistant? A mind, not just a voice, anticipating your needs like a best friend who's finally mastered telepathy. Samsung painted a world where AI stitches itself into every thread of life, from virtual realities indistinguishable from real to phones that know you better than you know yourself. Galaxy Unpacked 2024 wasn't just a tech launch, it was a future on the dance floor, waiting for us to decide its rhythm. Human touch, AI grace, and the beat of a digital tomorrow. The show had just begun. Let's dive headfirst into the electrifying atmosphere of Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2024, where the future of mobile technology was unfolded. 2024's first Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event kickstarts with a bang. Samsung's mobile division president TM Rowe opens the ceremony as the first Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event of 2024 begins. Rowe, while delivering his opening speech, confirmed that the Galaxy S24 series, which includes Galaxy S24 Ultra, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24, will get Android OS updates for 7 years. It should be noted the company has now joined Google as the only two smartphone makers to offer 7 years of software support for the latest smartphones. The latest S24 flagship series can also use AI to perform real-time translation via the Messages app. You can pick conversation styles such as chill or Shakespearean. This is powered by Google's Gemini Nano model for on-device AI. Moreover, you can also change the tone of your messages using the AI-powered Chat Assist feature. Drew further announced that Galaxy AI was bringing new smarts to the Recorder app and the Notes app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. During the announcement, the company official gave a demo which showed that users can generate a summary of a recording's transcript while also generating a summary of your notes. Owners of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series of phones will be able to select an option to process data on the device instead of using the cloud to protect their privacy. The toggle will be available in the Settings app on the smartphone. Google's SVP for Android, Hiroshi Lockheimer, and TM Rowe just announced a new feature called Circle to Search. You can simply draw a circle around words on your smartphone to perform a Google search. An official from Google also demonstrated the new Circle to Search feature on the latest Galaxy S24 series. Scribbling or circling an object will quickly look it up on Google without leaving the app. With the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the company is touting its latest camera improvements, especially to the telephoto camera. This year, there's a 5-time telephoto lens with a 50-megapixel camera sensor. The camera system also uses on-device AI to optimize shots taken with the telephoto camera. It can also use the Pro Visual engine to analyze subjects and capture optimal photos. The official further shared that features like Super HDR, nightography, and enhanced AI-powered image editing will be available on Snapchat and Instagram. The Galaxy S24 series will also be the first smartphone to support HDR photos on Instagram. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in all markets. The company is also touting improvements to ray tracing for games, heat dissipation, touch response, and brightness. The new Galaxy S24 series is equipped with a titanium chassis and equipped with Corning Gorilla armor that's more resistant to drops and scratches. It's also claimed to feature anti-reflective properties that optimize the viewing experience on the smartphone. Unlike the top-of-the-line model, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be equipped with an armor aluminum chassis. Pricing for Samsung Galaxy's S24 series starts at $799 for the Galaxy S24, while the Galaxy S24 Plus starts at $999. Meanwhile, the flagship Galaxy S24 Ultra pricing starts at $1,299. Pricing in other regions is expected to be announced soon. Samsung will also bring Galaxy AI features from the new Samsung Galaxy S24 series of smartphones to select Galaxy handsets and tablets in the first half of 2024. Right before the event concluded, Samsung shared a glimpse of a new wearable product, the Galaxy Ring, although no other details were shared by the company.